two of the prepositions that cause more confusion. I'm referring, of course, to and for. I went out to have lunch, or is it I went out for have lunch? Wait, is it maybe I went out for having lunch? I'm confused. There are many different uses for the prepositions to and for, but I want to focus on the one that is most commonly causing trouble. We use to and for to talk about the purpose or the reason why we do things. There are three formulas that we need to remember. When the reason or the purpose is a verb, we use the infinitive. For example, I bought a present to give to Sarah. In this case, we use to give because the reason is a verb, to give. And we use for when the reason or the purpose is a noun. For example, I bought a present for Sarah. For plus a noun, for Sarah. Formula number 3. We use for plus ing when we want to talk about the function of something or to talk about how something is used. For example, the PC is still the most popular tool for developing software. You know that, don't you? Or you could say, I need something for storing CDs. We don't use for plus ing when we want to express our purpose or our intention. Remember, if you are expressing your purpose or your intention, you should use the infinitive. We are going to London to visit our friend. He is studying to be a doctor. You don't say he is studying for being a doctor.